Rice is great, but it can get boring really quickly if you are always having plain rice. So why not add some more color and pop into your rice, make it more exciting by making a vegetarian pulao. So it's going to be very simple. First, go ahead and wash the rice as you do usually and add in twice the amount of water. Let it come up to a simmer. I prefer the steam method, so you put a lid on or a plate to cover the pot and let it cook on low heat until it's nice and fluffy. You want to let that cool down before you start making the stir fry. To make the stir fry, simply heat up some oil on a pan and then add in a few cumin seeds. Now toast this until it's reddish brown and really fragrant. Next, add in some green chilies if you're using that today. It's going to add a nice spice to it. And then follow it by adding some onions. Add in your chopped carrots as well. So the onions and the carrots will add a ton of sweetness and flavor to the dish, while the chilies will help balance off that sweetness. Now just let this saute until the carrots start to become soft and until the onions are soft. You can speed up this cooking process by adding in a pinch of salt as the veggies are sauteing. So once the veggies have become soft, add in your green peas. Now you can use frozen peas or fresh peas. If you're using fresh peas, just boil it in water for about 1 to 2 minutes before adding it into the pan. If you're using frozen peas, just add them directly onto your pan. Let this saute for 2 to 3 minutes until the peas have warmed up and really combined their flavors with the veggies, and then we can proceed to add our rice into our veggie mix. Now by this time the rice should have cooled down, and that's really going to help protect those grains of rice. If you add it in when the rice is steaming hot, you risk breaking and mashing up those beautiful grains of rice. Now just give it all a good toss and lower the heat from medium to medium low as you're stirring the rice with the veggies. Now you can taste and adjust for seasoning, and now finish up by garnishing with some fresh cilantro and lemon or lime juice if using. Give it all a quick final mix and your pulao is ready to serve. It's going to be great with any dish at all. It's great plain. It'll be great with any lentil soup, any dal, any form of vegetarian or non-vegetarian curry, and it's just amazing. And I'm telling you, the fragrance that you're gonna have in your kitchen is gonna be outside this world. So let me know in the comments down below, which dish are you going to have this vegetable pulao with? Or are you going to have it plain? Let me know. I'll be reading it. Leave me a like if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to hit subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one with a brand new video. Alright guys, see you soon. Bye guys.